In this video, I want to give you some deep secrets. And this secret are certain things which is really causes some people to be poor in life. Because this thing that I'm going to tell you, maybe you might know, maybe you don't know. But deeply and secretly, this thing is really causing a lot of poverty in our life. A lot of people, but we never knew. First of all, is using your teeth to cut your fingernails. When you are such a person that you normally use your teeth to cut your fingernails, it drives away money from you and it drives away your financials and blessings. Another point is you are such a person that you normally have sex at your workplace or your business places. This invite bad luck. Please remember to share this video to anyone that you know. The next point is washing your clothes at night. Washing your clothes at night. This is another habit or a spiritual way or certain things that we normally do which is spiritually improper because it can bring negative energy into your home. Let's move on. For cutting or barbering your hair at night, if you are such a person that you normally barber your hair during the night, it leads to stagnation and it blocks your financial growth or your personal growth. That's how it works. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I want you to subscribe to this channel. It will encourage me for whatever I'm doing. Let's move on. Another point is that using leftover water to wash your shoes. Let me say you have washed your clothes. After washing your clothes, the leftover water, then you use it to wash your shoes. This attracts setbacks and also spiritual depths. It will cause spiritual depths into your life. Another point is leaving your sandals or slippers outside at night, or maybe your shoes at night at your doorstep during the midnight. It blocks your forward movement and also stop your progress because it's been exposed to bad spirit and negative energy. So when you leave it at night and you go to bed leaving it outside, it's being exposed to negative energy and bad spirit. So for that matter, it will block your forward movement and stop your progress in life. Let's move on. Wearing the same clothes, shoes or slippers from a gym. There are a lot of people, they go to the gym, they go and play football, they go do some exercise, then they will continue wearing that same clothes on that day without washing it. Continue wearing those kind of items or clothes can attract misfortune into your life. That's how it is. Let's move on. Another point is leaving clothes hanging outside overnight. Leaving your clothes hanging outside overnight or around 6 p.m. You've washed your clothes and still hanging on a dry line around 6 p.m. This thing is being your clothes will be exposed to negative energy and spiritual forces. So for that matter, whenever you wear the clothes, it's going to block your forward movement and also it has because it has attract negative energy. It will really affect your life. Let's move on. Using your old clothes you no longer wear as a cleaning or rags or mop. There are some of you, you have a cloth you don't wear anymore, but you use that kind of clothes to clean your floor, use it for dusting, use it to clean your kitchen and all that. It spiritually tie down your destiny and it brings stagnation. It will tie down your destiny and also bring stagnation into your life. So you will never move ahead in life. The level which you are in life, you continue to remain at that level. You never move ahead in life. Let's continue. Sleeping with dirty clothes or in a dirty environment. I've said this in other videos that if you are such a person that you normally leave your room dirty, leaving spider webs in your room, let me say some bad spirits or witches get in contact through that kind of dates, then they get opportunity into our life and then haunt our life or torment our life. So if you're such a person, when you come from work, you feel so tired, and then you sleep with your dirty clothes or you don't even bath. That kind of attitude is also attract spiritual energies, and this can attract bad luck or stagnation in life. Next point, if you are such a person that you normally like sweeping at night, from 6 p.m. going is the time that you normally like sweeping in your room or you sweep your compound. In many traditions, these acts are seen as inviting or loss or driving away your wealth. If there's a good wealth or good news or good things coming up your way or prosperity coming up your way, and you are such a person that you normally sweep during the evening, sweep your room in the evening, you are driving away this kind of good luck, this kind of opportunities, this kind of financial breakthrough away. A lot of people know and a lot of people are aware of these things, so you need to be very careful with it. Next point, are you such a person that you normally count money using your saliva? Let me tell you something. There are some of you, when you're counting money, then you lick your finger using your saliva to count the money. Saliva is considered as impure. A lot of people know, in some traditions they know, in some cultures they know that when you make saliva with your finger and count money, it blocks the energy flow. The energy that helps money to flow into your life, the saliva that you are using to count the money will block that kind of energy. Spiritually, it also pollutes your financial energy and lock or dry up your financials or cause delay or debt and stagnations. Let's move on. You are such a person that you normally bath with your sponge. When you bath with your sponge, especially bathing with your sponge, then use that same sponge to bath your face or to wipe your face. I'm telling you the fact that every person or anybody on this earth, your favor is located on your forehead or on your face. So if you are such a person that you normally bath your face with your sponge, I'm telling you the fact that you are wiping away or you are driving away your favor, your spiritual favor. Yes, that's how it is. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you have to subscribe to this channel because there's a lot coming up your way. I'm telling you that if you know someone, your friend, your family, your wife, your sister who has not reached this channel, take the person's phone and subscribe to this channel because the person is going to benefit from this channel. Yes, let's move on. Another point is that if you are such a person that you like bringing your your slippers into your room, you bring your slippers. Let me tell you something. Slippers or shoes you wear to public places pass over many grounds, marketplaces, hospitals, cemeteries, bus stores, bus stations. Let me tell you something. Those kind of heavy places carries heavy energies, curses or negative vibrations. So when you walk through these places, your footwear with your footwear or slippers, it can pick up negative energy and bring it into your home. And this attitude can lead to constant bad luck. You continue to experience bad luck in your life. You will also experience, or there will be conflict. Fight, misunderstandings, and all that in your home. It also block your financial. It also brings strange spiritual attacks or sleeping nightmare. You begin to have spiritual, bad and bad. I don't know how to put it. Bad dreams. Yes, let me say it that way. Bad dreams. A whole lot bad spirit into your life, into your home, and at the end of the day, it's going to harm your life. If there's something that you don't understand, please let me know and I will explain anything to you for you to understand. If you need the ant hill book, please, the book is ready. I have the hard copy, I have the soft copy. Please let me know and I'll send it to you. If you don't understand something, please let me know. You have to keep your home very clean because your home is your holy altar. See you next time. I love you so much. Subscribe to this channel. I love you so much.